This is our red quinoa, so that is what's cooking. Hey guys, and welcome if you're new and welcome back if you are true. My name is Opal May and this is what we're doing today. Hey girl, hey. So y'all, this is gonna be quick video, letting y'all know that I'm still staying focused. It's been 23 days. They say it takes 21 days to make a habit, right? So I'm doing pretty good. I only had 3 of these today. Usually I drink like 5 or 6, so I'm lacking. But we're gonna get it in before the day's over. Let me show you guys the food I made. Just letting you all know I'm staying focused. The food is giving me energy. It's just fueling me. It's boosting my mood, and just how food definitely, healthy food, boosts your mood. When we eat certain foods, it brings us down, makes us sleepy, sluggish, and tired. All this food I've been eating has been great. I'm just excited on this new journey and to just, be bringing you all different recipes. Anyway, enough about that, guys. Let's show you guys what I made for dinner. All right, guys, so we have regular lettuce, we have Swiss chard, we have kale and raw sweet potato, we have onions, we have cucumbers, we have tomatoes. I've cut everything up or prepped it, so this week I don't have to worry about when I want a salad, it's ready. This is the salmon, guys, with some vegetables on top. Pick this up from Nugget. These are some pretty fat steaks, or salmon steaks. Pretty fat, so I can get 2 meals out of this. One is, I can get 4 meals out of this, excuse me. And so that's what the salmon is looking like. There's our veggies. Let me show you guys our quinoa. And there's our quinoa that is draining. This is the red quinoa. And this is our red quinoa. I might be a little too close. Let's see. This is our red quinoa, so that is what's cooking. Yeah. So beautifully red when it cooks. It has a white tint to it along with the red. It doesn't cook as beautiful and bold as the color is when you buy it, but it's still red quinoa. And then on top we have cilantro that I put inside, and I put a little bit of vegetable broth just to give it flavor. It really helps. And a little bit of seasoning, which is complete, a little bit of sea salt. And that's gonna end this video. This salmon is so good. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's cooked perfectly. I cooked it on the stove or pan seared for about 3 minutes, threw it in the oven for another 4. Amazing. All right, guys, and I'm out. Thanks for watching.